So, welcome to my class. In continuation with Unit 2, that is, we have been doing collection of data, organization of data, presentation of data. Finished with collection and organization, we are doing presentation. And in presentation, we are talking about diagrams, diagrammatic presentation. And in the diagrammatic presentation, the diagrams are presented in two ways. That's what we're going to do. We're going to study. One is the one-dimensional diagrams, which are showcased by the various types of bar diagrams. And we have what is known as the pie diagram. So talking about that, looking at a bar diagram, this is what the bar diagram looks like. So before we go on, so what are the rules? Let's just see, what are the rules of construction of a bar diagram? So that's what we're going to talk about. So of course, bar diagrams are also sometimes called what is known as column diagrams. They're also called column diagrams. So the bars are rectangular. They show some value of the variable. The length or the height of the bars differs according to the different values of the variable. That is, the length can be more or it can be less, depending on the values. Of course, the breadth remains the same. Bars can be either shown vertically or horizontally. Generally, we show them in a vertical form, and that's exactly what I'm going to show. Rather, you can do that in terms of show them even vertically. Then, bars are equidistant from each other, and all bars are based on some common baseline. So they begin from the same place. Then, of course, the data, as the data is presented, that's how the bars are given. But you can, to make it more attractive according to the data, you can make it into ascending or descending order. And you can one can shade them in different colors, or one can make use of shade them, or you can use different colors. You can make some different lines. They can be oblong, vertical, horizontal, or whatever. So let's just take this one, for example. Now this is a simple bar diagram, and here the population of data of India from the period 1961 to 2011 has been given. So this data has been shown here. So this is a simple bar diagram. It's a simplest form of bar diagram, and one bar represents only one figure. Now let's just take 1961, one figure. What is that? 43.9 crores. 1971, one value, that is 54.8 crores. In 1981, the population rose to 68.3. See, I have left the bars just like that because there's just one value, but one can color it to make it attractive. And so here we see that how the population is growing throughout these years from 1961 on to 2011. Then, so we notice that there will be as many bars as the number of figures. These diagrams depict only one characteristic of data, that is the population in crores. All right. So this is known as a simple bar diagram. So in the next class, we're going to do the multiple bar diagram. Okay. So